Hi everybody, so nice to see you today. Let me introduce you one of the most amazing new leather jacket who's coming on the market. The level of the quality of this jacket is the best it exists in the world, and I'll tell you why. Because those jackets have what we call, it's a special sticker in order to have See, look at that, look at those jackets, how amazing it is. This is vintage look, and the thing is, the quality of the leather, the thickness of the leather is amazing. But you know what? The best person we can talk to you about that is Philippe.
Hey.
Philippe, tell us more about it.
About the jacket, that I tell you, we are a brand existing for 10 years, and now we decide to introduce the American market. We're right with good quality, we have good model, and the thing is, we try to have reasonable between price and quality. This is our goal, main goal. And you can see our jacket now. That's it.
So Philippe, you were telling me that the jackets are coming already with
There's protection on the elbow and the shoulder, and you have the insert to put the back one.
And you have the insert to put the back. So
yeah,
you need to see exactly how the quality of inside, how incredible all that is.
everything
Please
is
show that to us.
removable. You can take out, and you have pocket here, pocket in the jacket. Does it mean you can wear it even if you don't make motorcycle? This is the thing. You take out all the protection, and you can go to a restaurant outside.
Right? And you look cool. So you want to look cool, you work on the shoulders, and you look good.
Merci. Thank you.